Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the value of this square root of 40 times 41 times 42 times 43 plus 1. And we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and call this 40 as an x. So let's suppose that x equal to 40, then our this 41 is going to become x plus 1, 42 is going to become x plus 2, and 43 could be written as x plus 3. And now if you are wondering why we use x equal to 40, why not 41 or 42 or 43? The simple answer is we want to keep things simple, and at the end you will find out that x is equal to 40 is our safe bet. So therefore we can write this problem as now x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 and then plus 1. And now let's go ahead and rearrange this one. I'm going to combine x and x plus 3 and x plus 1 and x plus 2. And here I have combined this x times x plus 3 and here x plus 1 times x plus 2. And now let's go ahead and multiply these first two factors and then this next two as well. So let's go ahead and distribute these one. We're gonna get x square plus 3x for these first two. And here we're gonna use the double distribution rainbow method. We are going to multiply them. This is going to give us x square plus 2x plus 1x and then plus 2 and then plus 1. And here in this next step I have combined these like terms. 2x plus x becomes 3x. Now we can see that we have this part and this part same. So let me go ahead and say let our u equal to x square plus 3x. So therefore our this problem is going to become the square root of this thing is u times this is going to become u plus 2 and then plus 1. And now let's go ahead and distribute this one. So this could be written as u square plus 2u plus 1. Now we can see this part inside this radical represents a perfect square. So therefore we are going to use this formula. So therefore we can write this one square root of u plus 1 whole square. And now we can see that this square root and square, they undo each other. So we got simply u plus 1. But we know our u value is x square plus 3x. So therefore this could be written as we can replace this u by x square plus 3x and then I'm going to put down this plus 1. And now we know that our x value is 40. So wherever we see x, I am going to replace it by 40. So let's go ahead and plug it in. So 40 square plus 3 times 40 and then plus 1. 40 square is same as 1600 and 3 times 40 is 120 and then plus 1. And if we add everything together, that is going to give us 1721, and that's our answer. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be a 1721. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.